Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today on Cooking Up Love, we're making easy steak fajitas. The key to the incredible flavor in these fajitas is a combination of fresh onions, garlic, and lime juice. After marinating our hanger steak for just a few hours, toss them on the grill for 6 to 10 minutes, making them perfect for when you need a dinner that comes together super quick or for weekend celebrations when you're feeding a crowd. I can't wait to show you how easy it is to make these easy steak fajitas at home. Here's a quick look at our ingredients, and I've also listed them and the entire recipe in the description box below. If you're new to our channel, we'll show you how to make homemade food that's easy, delicious, and perfect for sharing with everyone you love. First, we're going to mix together the quick steak fajita marinade. It's a super simple mix of ingredients to infuse the steak with delicious flavors. To make this easy, I'm going to put the steak in a resealable Ziploc bag. You can also use a glass dish to marinate the steak in. Pour a quarter cup of olive oil into the gallon-sized Ziploc bag. Add 3 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, a half teaspoon of black pepper, and the juice of 2 limes. We have new videos every week. Subscribe and ring the bell so you know when we've posted a new one. Slice 3 cloves of garlic, and chop about a quarter of a small onion. This will be about a tablespoon. And add these both to the mixture. Mix the ingredients up a bit and then add in the hanger steak. If you're not able to find hanger steak, skirt steak or flank steak are great substitutes. Now seal the bag and really massage and smoosh this all around so the marinade gets evenly dispersed. And let this marinate in the refrigerator for at least a few hours and up to 6 hours. Okay, mine has been marinating for about 4 hours, and I'm going to grill this hot and fast for about 3 minutes on each side. We like this medium rare to medium. You can also cook this under a high broiler. Remove the steak to a cutting board. Cover it with foil and let it rest for about 5 to 8 minutes. This will give the juices time to redistribute throughout the meat and makes for better, juicy fajitas. Cut the steak against the grain into thin strips for a more tender strip of meat that will just melt in your mouth. And serve these steak fajitas with your favorite toppings. We usually have this with lots of grilled peppers and onions, which today, in the midst of the quarantine, we're short on, so I'm serving this with fresh pico de gallo and avocado. If you like this recipe, please give us a thumbs up and share it with a friend. For more easy dinner recipes, check out this playlist. And here's another video I think you'll like. I'll see you in the next video.